Built with a big screen, 50 megapixel camera, and a power-packed battery. And wait, what? A stylus too? The Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 is jam-packed with great features made for you and your family. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the latest smartphone from Motorola, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023. Let's jump on in. The Moto G Stylus 5G is built with a big 6.6-inch display and smooth refresh rate up to 120 Hz. It's great for watching videos and scrolling through your favorite apps. The Moto G Stylus 5G is built with a dual camera system featuring a 50 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It can shoot macro shots, has a depth sensor for beautiful portrait shots, and creates time lapses and more. Pair all of this with its ultra pixel technology, and your low light photos will come out sharper and brighter than ever. And when you need to send your bestie a snap, you can use the 16 megapixel front facing camera to ham it up.
I love the French fry. He's my favorite.
Inside, the Stylus 5G is packed with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of built-in storage. You can even expand the memory with a micro SD card, sold separately. The Moto G Stylus is packed with a large 5,000 mAh battery that can keep up with your texting, YouTubing, socializing, and doggy recording. And if you need to juice it back up quickly, this phone is fast charge capable. With a built-in stylus, you can explore your creative side, scribble down notes, sketch something out, and even quickly edit photos with enhanced accuracy, all with the built-in stylus. Cracking open the fully recyclable box, we have the new Moto G Stylus 5G 2023, Get Started Guide, and a USB-C charging cable. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2023, a big screen, 50 megapixel camera, and a power-packed battery, ready to rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Don't forget that stylus. You can pick yours up at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at T-Mobile.com. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.